Here's a quick video tutorial on how to install IWMC on your Fire Stick. It's not that hard. I find that this is the easiest way to install it myself. So let me walk through. I might pause it every now and then so you don't have to wait. First is I would install Apps2Fire. You need a tablet or a phone. So you need to install Apps2Fire. Locate the Apps2Fire on your phone or tablet, like this one, and then so that should show up. You need to be on the same network. Your Fire Stick and your tablet or your phone needs to be on the same network. What we're going to end up doing is we're going to try to see if we can upload applications to your Fire Stick using your tablet. So let's see. We need the you can click on search Fire TVs and it should show up with your Fire TVs, but for here we're gonna since this Fire TV is already connected to my network, I'm just gonna look for it using my Fire TV in the settings, and then I think in the about there's a network and it shows up right here, the IP address 66. So I'm gonna type that here. I'm going to say 192.168.1.66. I'm going to save that. Okay, so I'm going to need that later. What else I need is to download. I need to download the APK. So the APK can be downloaded using the website, which is https www.iwantmorechannels.com, and say smart.apk. Hit go, and it's gonna prompt you this guy and say download, and just keep on clicking download. Yep, don't open the file yet. So that's it. We're gonna use those two applications that we just downloaded, Apps2Fire. Yep, just those two. And sorry, didn't mean to do that. Next, in order to install it on your Fire TV, you need to enable a setting. So go again, this is how you do it. Go to settings on your Fire TV. Go to my Fire TV, developer options, and then just enable this too. I don't think you need the ADB debugging, but just enable both. It's gonna come up with this prompt. Just say yes, turn on, and they should be both turned on. And what I normally would do is I would do a restart just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna pause the video so we can save time. You guys don't need to wait for it. Okay, now this came up probably because I had my Apps2Fire running, and when I enabled and restarted it. So just say okay, always allow, and hit okay. That will allow your tablet to connect with the Fire Stick. So next time, I'm just gonna quickly check here. Want to make sure those settings are still enabled. So they're still on. And now I'm back here. I'm gonna check my IP if it didn't change. I don't think it did. On network, it's still 66. So I'm gonna click on this button right here that says upload, right next to the camera button. So click that, and I should see the smart APK that I downloaded a while ago. So I'm going to select that and click on install. So if it's not um, installing like this. Just make sure you have the settings enabled and you're in the same network. Your tablet or your phone is on the same network as your Fire Stick. If it doesn't work again, do a reboot, check the settings. And if you have a little bit of a slow connection, I would suggest getting nearer to the router of your network. So it's trying to install now, as you can see. I'm gonna pause it so you guys don't have to wait. But normally this takes about 2 minutes or 3. Okay, so maybe after a minute or so, it was done uploading. It came up with a message saying uploaded successfully. I'm done with the tablet, installing it. It should be already on your Fire Stick. And to see it, just go through applications right there. Click on manage installed applications. And there should be crystal clear IPTV. So just launch the application. And when you do that, it should show up on your list of recent applications. So I'm just gonna input a username and password and then log in. Okay, I skipped through me typing through the username and password, but what I find normally when I'm typing this in for the service is that the username and password are case sensitive. This is for IWMC, but they also work for the Crystal Clear app. So let me log in now. Yeah, initially you should see the screen. This is the application trying to download the most recent list of channels, movies, and series. They kind of take away or add movies, live channels every now and then. So that's a good way to get updated. So I'm going to try to install EPG because I want to see it using a user guide view, much like what you have on your cable TV. Okay, that didn't take long. So they have quite a number of things. They have 24/7 USA channels, Canada, UK. This one has quite a lot. NBA League Pass. There's this pay-per-view. I got even adult section in the end. Indian, Filipino, quite a number of channels. So I'm going to try one. Let's say I'm going to go and look for USA. Yeah, I'm going to look for movie channels. I have no... Yeah, so like that. There are movie channels. Epix, quite a number, HBO, so quite a number of good ones right there. Just gonna try a few, and you should have a good understanding of what it looks like. And I should say I think I'm pretty far from my router, but the quality is still good. Let's try AMC. Okay, so the quality is pretty good, I believe for the service. And that's how you install the IWMC on a Fire Stick using Crystal Clear app. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks, guys.